What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Evan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a cool tool that you can use for upcoming market reports. That way you can kind of stay up to date for future market reports, and it's completely free. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. We have a website called FinViz. This is the economic calendar for the week, so it shows the impact, right, the actual, expected, and prior for all these different reports. So as you can see, we have the PPI data report being released tomorrow morning at approximately 8:30 a.m., right? So an hour before the market opens, wherever you are. Market opens at different times in different areas, obviously. So an hour before the market opens, that PPI data report will be released. Now, let me explain the PPI data report a little bit. So the PPI data report is the producer price index. So there is a PPI and a CPI. So with the CPI, it is the consumer price index. Now, I do think the PPI will have somewhat of an effect on the market, but I don't think it will have as crazy of an effect as the consumer price index. And that is because the consumer price index is for the consumers, people like you and me, people who spend money. That report is going to be way more important because consumers control the market more than producers do, right? They control what they buy and what sells. So with that being said, keep an eye out for that PPI data report. Tomorrow morning, it should have an impact on the market. Maybe not as big as the CPI, but definitely impactful. But yeah, that's a quick little website. It's called FinViz, right? Completely free, finviz.com, the economic calendar. It's on the homepage. You can just click on it and basically see all the reports that are coming out for that week. So that's an easy way to stay up to date. So with that being said, we're going to hop into my screen real quick, and I'm going to show you guys a trade that I took this morning and kind of how I got out, right? And then just trying to identify levels as well as I possibly could. So as you can see, right, we had a quick little move on SQQQ this morning. SQQQ is now down, right? But if we zoom in here, it is the 2-minute chart. I have since been using the 2-minute chart as well since it moves a little bit slower. So as you can see, we had a quick rip on SQQQ this morning, which I was able to take advantage of and lock in some profits. But one thing that I've really been paying attention to is where these levels of resistance are. So as you can see, right, SQQQ, it stopped around, was it 47.40, 47.41, around there this morning before making a bigger rip to the upside. But identifying that high point, that 47.40 point, was really important on the day, right? And we can see if we go back on the chart, that 47.40, that area right here is evident as support over here, obviously before we gap down overnight. But looking for areas that, like that, for example, previous areas of resistance or previous areas of support. So if a stock is pushing up and you think that it could have some resistance, go back and look at the previous candles and see if that area was either a support or a resistance beforehand, and that can kind of give you a good idea of when to get out and when to lock in profits. So that's really been helping me a lot lately, locking in profits. Even if it continues to go up, I'm completely fine with it because I know that's an overbought level, and we definitely see some slowdown of momentum in that area. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button down below, like this video, and comment for more videos like this one. I just want to keep you guys up to date. And yeah, please feel free to use finviz.com. It's a great website for all those economic updates. And hope to see you guys in the market.